Hey you guys, how's it going? Welcome back. Today I am on the FZ for yet another ride, and I'm up in slightly more northern Maine than I usually am. And I've got my dad in front of me on his 2018 FZ. Well, no, let me rephrase that. MT07. As I've talked about before, it's essentially the same bike, but they renamed it from the FZ07 to the MT07, which is what the European version had been named for a while. So he's on his bike and I'm on mine. Today was just so crazy nice that we figured we would jump on the bikes and get some bike time in. So this road is completely new to me. So far it's really nice. And that guy is just half-ass pulling over. I don't really know where we are. I don't really know where we're going. Oh, nice Challenger there. And got an old school truck right there. Hopefully I can do a good acceleration for you guys here. Yeah, that's a nice little stretch of road right there. Cruising along here at a pretty good clip, about 50 miles an hour. Oh, nice. We got a lake right next to us. I got some fellow riders there. Good old Maine roads. As long as they're not chewed to hell from the winter, there's a lot of good roads. Oh man, my freaking thumb is like numb. I did not catch it on camera, but a freaking bird nearly took my dad's head off just a second ago. Ooh, that's a nice big house with a nice big garage. I have had that happen to me several times over the years. I've even had a couple birds hit me. Yeah. And that doesn't actually feel good. It's like someone throwing a baseball at you. So yeah, there's some more fun in the world of riding, is not just having to worry about animals and roadkill, but also having to be aware, or at least prepared or whatever, for birds flying into you. Don't know where we're going. Are we going straight? Going through some farm country here. Ooh, look at that. Cool old car. Ooh, there's a cool old truck. Alrighty, well, we've been riding for a while, starting to get hungry, so we're going to take a quick lunch break. I will be back in a few. I am back from the lunch, on the road again, exploring yet another road. I've seen some cool cars, lots of bikes, and when I say cool cars, I mean both on the road, and I've seen cars tucked away and hidden away in people's yards and barns, just while cruising by people's houses. So for all of the cars you do see, some of which are very cool, it makes me wonder how many are out there that we can't see. Hidden out of sight, yeah, you never know what you might be passing. As a matter of fact, in one of these areas, I was driving by a house, well, riding by a house. Actually, I may have been driving the bike. Either way, I was going by a house, and hidden in some weeds and overgrowth between like the house and like a little one-car garage thing, I saw a freaking Lamborghini.
I'm friends with the owner of my car who lives in Maine.
But I just found that kind of hilarious and amazing that I'm driving through some rural Maine town on one of these country back roads and sitting right next to the road in someone's yard is Lamborghini. And it was like looked like a newer one. Yeah, you just never know. Oh god, big bump. But I thought that guy was going to wave to us for a second, but he was just whipping his hose around. That didn't sound right. Moving on. See an old school Mustang and some other cars over there. Trans Am there, was it? Oh, there's a fellow rider behind us. These are some nice little roads, nice little like small town neighborhood roads. Yeah, so we got an old school factory of some kind on my right. Fellow rider. Now we got a big sweeping turn up here. Whoa, look at that. Oh, look at that. Guess we're going right. Like I said, I have no freaking clue where we are or where we're going. Although I feel like Julie and I have gone on that road before through that town on our way to Vermont, maybe? I lost my mic there for a second. That was embarrassing. Kind of like leaving your fly open. Look at this. Oh, yeah. Okay, so I not another bird just almost ran into my dad's head. That's ridiculous. Of course, I guess the same thing could be happening to me, I just can't see it. But I feel like you would notice if or when a bird. By the way, it's like the most gorgeous turn of all time right there. happy to report that I think ice cream is in our near future because apparently I am a 12-year-old. Oh, don't come out. Yeah, look at that. I've said it before, but I'll say it again. This is why I ride in Maine. What the hell is that? Oh, it's a three-wheeler. Old school three-wheeler. Log cabin, 18 bus or something. Van, whatever. I do like those old vans, you guys. I think it would be super cool to pick one of those up that's in relatively good shape, as in not rusting completely apart, and like gut it more or less, and like make like a cool like road trip mobile. I think it'd be very, very cool. Look at this. Yeah! Oh, you guys, have you ever seen Harry and the Hendersons? Some of these half-shaded roads with the sun coming through the leaves is just like that scene where they hit Harry. Oh, Harry and the Hendersons, what a weird but awesome movie. Alright, you guys, and just like that, we have reached our ice cream destination, or more specifically for us, our custard destination. If you don't know what the difference between custard and ice cream is, you should go look it up, because it's kind of interesting and it makes ice cream even better, if that's possible. So, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and we will catch you on the next one.